Introducing DIY Tax, a simple tax solution to help people comply with making tax digital. In this video, we will explore who it is suitable for and why our customers prefer using DIY Tax. DIY Tax is designed for people who are self-employed and landlords. Customers can manage multiple sole trader businesses and multiple properties within the same DIY Tax login, which will save you the cost and hassle of having to open up multiple accounts. It also works for UK property owners and for owners of foreign property. DIY Tax is comprehensive. A setup wizard will ask you which MTD services you wish to use. For example, if you enable the MTD VAT feature, you will be asked to input your VAT number and you will have the facility to record VAT on income and expense transactions. Crucially, and to maintain simplicity, you will not see any reference to VAT if you have not enabled this feature. Using the same easy-to-use setup wizard, customers are asked to select which types of income they wish to manage. Customers can select to manage self-employment businesses, UK property businesses, or foreign property businesses. To make it as easy to use, customers will only see the business types they selected. For each type of income, customers have the option to select which method they would prefer to use to maintain their digital records. We offer 3 options. Customers can use our app to create invoices and record expenses. We recognize, however, that this may not be appropriate for all our customers, which has led us to introduce a second simple record-keeping method, where you just record the date, amount, and you can add a note. The third and final method is for those that wish to maintain their digital records in a spreadsheet and to simply use our product as a means to upload a summary of these transactions to HMRC. Customers can also connect DIY Tax to their bank, and they can even create their digital records based on the content of their bank account. However, we recognize that this may not always be appropriate or indeed necessary, especially if you only have a small number of transactions. We emphasize that our banking feature connects to your bank, but you are not tied to any given bank. We are independent, which means you can connect to different banks at the same time. You can change bank easily, and of course in terms of privacy. Whilst we extract your bank transactions, it is a one-way flow of information. Your bank will not have access to your wider business or tax information. Many of our customers are not office-based, which is why we have made our solution accessible from your computer, tablet, or phone. It is important to emphasize, for security reasons, we do not store customer information on your devices. This means that your information is always safe, even if you lose your computer or phone. We have carefully designed our support services to be highly accessible, easy to understand, and relevant to what you are doing. To achieve this, we have provided dedicated video tutorials and user guides for each feature or screen within the app. Customers can also access our help center to access an extensive library of other support materials, including our own dedicated chat service. We offer a simple license model to ensure that customers only pay for the features they use. All customers automatically receive a 30-day free trial, which gives them an opportunity to try our software before they upgrade to a paid version. To minimize what you pay, we charge for each MTD service and include discounts for customers that use both MTD services and for customers that select to pay annually. We do not insist on a minimum contract term. Customers can select to sign up and pay monthly or annually. If our customers would like to add more features. DIY Tax is part of the Rhino suite of products. Customers can upgrade their account at any time to the standard license edition, which provides access to CRM, estimating, and basic accounting. For larger organizations and limited companies, they can upgrade to the Professional License Edition to access the full accounting features and a range of industry-specific features. Examples include tools to manage professional services organizations and online retailing. We try to keep the videos short and informative. Our objective is to provide our customers with good technology, good advice, and good support. Thank you for watching.